Kani gadega Pati CTV.
Henne kasngi ka kharsan tarik uluber. Lapalong ya ka DORBAR ba jong ka kanhon Confederation of Indian Industry Young Indians Meghalaya chapter hapok auditorium jong ka St Edmunds College Shillong. Hagani jelang laidon rangkat ru ka MLA jong ka Mahendraganj constituency ka Dikanchi di Shira ka Bralong ka Kongsan katba Chief Secretary Barem ka Jilla ba PBO Warjri ulalong sembut Kongsan. Bat kiwai de ki balaidan rangkat kantop royu principal jong ka St Edmunds College Professor Silvanus Lamare. Bat lawan simenta de kispangot kidkhot jong ne kanhon na keleng kanong ba Shillong. Lasdang ya kani kejelang da kejing thang ya kasarang. Bat hadien kani layo ik kantin piang sobha ya kidkhot jong ne kanhon. Komjo ki bala sakhot sobha bat ya kejing IT ya kakam sikinong kitkam batmai jong ne kanhon.
Of all you dynamic, young, enterprising individuals again, it is truly an honor for me. I wish all of you at Young Indians the very best for all your endeavors here onwards. This is indeed a path-breaking initiative, and it has the potential to bring together all stakeholders, including the industry, government, institutions, community groups, and individuals to translate the vision of Meghalaya at 50 into a reality. I have learned that this vision will be supported and carried out by your respective organizations over the span of next 5 years, and various programs will be conducted around this theme to motivate and uplift the widespread diaspora of our beloved state. It would indeed take a collaborated effort to achieve what all of you have agreed to embark upon. And in times to come, several social and governmental bodies must join hands to promote such a state-centric theme.
Meghalaya at 50, kalong kum kajing posngiu jongka Young Indians Meghalaya chapter. Jika ibu kan urlong Hasan Snem, narong keteng ekar ka vision Meghalaya at 50. Takamod ba dakadap san post nem ka Meghalaya siya ngi di ban poi. Bun sin ngila iba matang ladap sa Hasan Snem. Hadangi kemen am he iba ngila poi. Dangi athoyela di bat ki states. Nafta ka daw ngi perkata ginang don sans nem menta don chakmat ke jongi ngi shnai kani ka document kanum di tang ka kwat phi ba menta singi lai launch ki yuva chopals haka Young Indians ngi bun ba ki vertical ngi don ki bring ngi bang in pet ya ka entrepreneurship ka la de ka environment la de ka profession la da ka de ka nu employment haka nu Henry haka ni ka Meghalaya at 50 pada current special document just for the state of Meghalaya bangi nong Meghalaya ngi dai shna dala de hakani ru ngakwa banong ba nginum kwa ngi plipat ba ekani namar ba ngakwa ba iwe bril ba de naga state of Meghalaya naga organization ane belong marwe manu manuru kila banle iki kam hakani ka kerteng ka jing tmu ka jong ni ko bai krani Dr. Neil ha ka panel mentan ba lada ka vision ka jong ni hapo jong la jong bat ka vision ka jong ka state bangi bu mangi ke ulong la daka jui ka nu ka jing bha te ikani ka Meghalaya 22 50 ka dei ka tai ka vision bangi ko ban padi kan
Kani Gadega Bati CTV.